Oh, look at Corbin, such a good big brother. Sharing his banana with his sister. Corbin, let Eden have a bite. Give Eden a bite. Eden wants a bite. Oh, she wants a bite though.
Daddy loves Corbin. Right, baby? Oh, she does the face. That's funny. I don't put on phone.
Eden wants a bite. Put it where she...
I can't.
She just crawled over to it. I want to get it on camera. Look at her little face.
Look at it. She looks at it. Please put some vegetables.
She doesn't get it.
I want to get my hands dirty. I'll feed her with it.
It's okay. No. Let her. He's cute.
There's a little lint here. Yuck.
Be careful, sweetie. She got a big old chunk. Oh. Ew, Rin, that's so nasty.
What? I don't want to fall on the floor.
Whoa! That's a lot of people.
She's looking at it.
She thinks it's
like
a bottle.
lollipop.
It's
Is that yummy?
no candy.
Her tongue.
She's looking at it like a lollipop.
It's a cane.
She got a big mouth.
Oh.
What's a cane that?
She's looking at it like
Yeah, yeah.
Buddy.
I was gonna tell you that, but I don't know what it is.
She's looking at it like.
Are you going to say a lollipop one more time? Because I'm going to have to smack you if you do.
Oh.
Her legs going up in the air.
It's a shoe.
Get that banana, Eden. Get that banana. Move it over to make her stand up. Move it over to you so that she'll stand up and walk.
Oh, she broke it off. Oh, see? Oh, Daddy got me doing, hold on.
No, just hold on to it. It's okay.
Come on.
Make her come closer to you.
H-I-G.
I want her to stand up. Like she knows how to. No, she can do it herself. Leave her alone.
Come on.
She likes that banana. Corbin. No. You be nice to your sister.
Come on, go, baby. No, come on. Oh, be gentle, Corbin.
You're going to have to climb, princess.
Come on, baby. Come, Daddy.
She moves like a praying mantis.
She goes forward, she's back. Forward, back, forward.
Get her tongue.
Come on.
I sound like a smoker. My voice is going up from jogging.
Oh, look at this. Put some in your mouth. Here's the cream. Put some in your mouth.
I want to watch her crawl. She likes to do it herself. Oh, great, Rin. She doesn't know how to eat it that way. Corbin, what are you doing? Oh, Daddy, he's got a rash on his tummy. See, it's all red.
Yeah, I got some stuff. Hold this. Wash my hands.
Here, Eden.
Wash it.
I mean, big girl. Don't you chew on that. That's not food. Here, come get your banana. Oh, the banana tastes good. Don't you put that in. No. This goes in your mouth. Or the binky. That's right.
Corbin, stop it.
Hey, baby girl.
Stop it. Come on.
I wish it said turtle or a phone
Oh, careful, big brother.
Let me on.
Don't you hit Mom. What was that? What's Big Brother doing?
You
Hey, here. Here.
A tree.
Why didn't you
No.
come get it? You want your binky? Here. Try like this. Good job.
Oh, that already cracked this comes up.
That's what I'm talking about, family.
I wish I cracked it
I was
more.
saying this is,
I wish I could make that.
keeping them fresh on the family, you trying to break them up and
They're good.
talk about that, guys. And then we should listen to our wives, because, taking care of the wives, very important, you know that. Hey, put this, hey, do not put pencils on the paper, you can sit on that. Hurt yourself, here, take a book. Ricky, put the pen away.
Why don't you stand up, Princess?
Double shake it. Double shake. Hey, come on, double shake.
I want her to stand up.
Are you baby? Why?
Oh, there she goes. Here she goes.
Hey, come on, double shake. Come on.
Put a diaper box over here so she'll climb on it.
I'm trying to
Her feet are in her jammies the wrong way. Where you going, Princess? My big girl.
That's